lovely people, and welcome back to the channel. For those who is new, my name is Eugene, but you can call me Papa Lucas. Every day on this channel I'm trying to bring to your attention some new protocols from the DeFi world which will be able to help you create your passive income stream. And in today's video we're going to discuss about the Contexia finance, and this is a little bit different from anything that we have reviewed previously, because Contexia actually is having in their token Con, and it's being backed up by the real world casino. So once you're logging in into the Contexia /finance.com, you will be able to see here two basically things: is their launch app and the white paper. So once you're going to their white paper, it looks like more, as you can see, really gambling side. Cards, dex cards, your like retro style. So if we are just going through it, they do have introduction, roadmap, Jackpot node, and let's just scroll down a little bit. You will be able to see their introduction, what they're trying to bring with their new protocol, with this protocol. And here is some Contexia Finance welcoming part. So they are looking into some of the features, which is the most important, of course, is the passive income stream. Earn Con. Con is their native token on autopilot. NFTs, gamification, building safeguard against hyperinflationary tokenomics, and we're going to talk about it a little bit with their price actions. The entire team went through the KYC procedures, and the smart contract will be audited as well. So talking about their team, it's quite interesting. They're very active on the Discord, as well as they're very open to the EMAs. You will be able to see it on the different YouTube channels. Moving forward, they're having the total security and the peace of mind that we have good intentions. Indeed, the way they're just mentioning that, if I'm not mistaken, the French lady is mostly hosting the EMAs. She's very passionate about it, so I'm very confident she's somewhere from the Europe. But I didn't go through their KYC yet, but definitely will. Looking in their roadmap, so they have creating the website, it's done, deploying the smart contract on Avalanche blockchain, another project on the AVAX. White paper has been released, so now they're going through the KYC. Community is very interesting. You see smart YouTube and Twitter marketing campaign. They do have launched the pre-sale, which have already happened, and now basically it's trying to push for the pure marketing. So they have submitted a paper to be listed on the CoinGecko as of today or yesterday, cannot recall exactly. And talking about their Jackpot node, so basically that's where you're purchasing the Con token, and you will be able to purchase their nodes, but they're calling them Jackpot. So people who are buying their nodes, they're not calling them the node holders, jackpotters. So they do have Silver Paltis, Diamond Lucius, and as well as Golden Emis. The prices you can see for the silver one is 100 cons, and it's going to give you daily return of 0.8%, which is already quite big. Diamond one costs 250 con, and daily return is 1%, and gold is going to give you daily return of 1.2%, and cost at 550 con. So again, talking about that, you are purchasing their native token Con, and you're getting your rewards in their native token Con. So for example, if you're buying at the price of $1, and once you're getting their daily return, you accumulate in another 550, and you wanted to sell them in order to get your full ROI. If the price is going higher than $2 as your initial investment, you are getting your initial investment, plus on top of that already appreciation in the price. You see they do have some points on the isolation time. So isolation time is a cooldown system that punishes people who claim rewards too often and rewards those who stack up their rewards. Each jackpot node has isolation time of 18 days that poses the experience gain. This isolation time is reset after each claim. So that's how they're trying to reduce their sales pressure. So compounding your jackpot, you can always take your earned rewards token and use them to set up another jackpot node. The compounding feature avoids the tax claim and allows you to increase your rewards without the need to buy more tokens. So compounding is helping once the price goes down and you're able to compound into the more nodes and here into the more jackpotters. And after that, you will be able to gain your initial investment back faster if the price is going lower. And of course, they do have staking. You can also stake their con liquidity pool for more con, and they give an APR from 100 up until 500, and subject to be higher. And let's don't forget that subject to be lower as well. So they are having the experiencing and leveling up as well. So NFT skin boosts, which will be able to give you some reduction rates. For example, production rate reduces the isolation period of time to 14 days, and Lucky Yard decreases 10%. The claim tax of your jackpot. So these NFTs are going to help you the same as I would say they're working those NFTs like in any other protocol. So for example, the tower, when you're having your fermentation period reducing and so on. So project is very interesting and unique. I just wanted to show you, of course, their price actions. So if we're talking about the launch was at $1, of course pre-sale was lower than that. They hop in up until $2 per con, and since then again massive sale. Let's don't forget the market, everyone is selling now. There is nothing surprising me at all, and that's what basically is going to happen. All those projects in the DeFi world, once we're now in the recession and all the risky assets are being sold on the market, and crypto is definitely a risky one. Once we will see Bitcoin $20,000, that's the time when I will say we bottom up. And of course, a lot of DeFi projects are going to vanish from the space, and only those which are really strong with the community and with their basically purpose of existence, those are the ones who will be able to strive and survive. Of course, the main point of all of those DeFis once you are jumping in is to get your initial investment, and after that, everything what is going to come up, that will be your passive income. And that's how you will be able to gain that, like plot by plot, small addition to your passive income from one protocol into the another protocol and another protocol. But the main point, of course, the earlier you jump in, the faster you got your ROI. Some people are playing it very gambling indeed, this DeFi. Once you're purchasing, for example, the node or on any protocols, once you get your initial ROI, just take your money, and from there, play it safe. All the time you have to play it safe. Of course, if the price actions went, as for example, you have purchased it here at $2 and now the price is at 45 cents, to claim it, from my perspective, it doesn't make any sense. What I would do, I would definitely compound if the situation allows you to compound. So for example, if you really need money, you will be able to claim and after to generate more within the time. And if the price go higher, that's how you will be able to get some of the monies, your initial investments out slowly. But for example, I'm doing 50-50 depends on the project, of course. Some I'm claiming on the monthly basis, another one I'm just keep compounding. If I'm putting it in the way that more nodes I have, faster, more rewards they're producing. which just means that I will be able to gain more my return on the investments faster. I don't want to say that everything is here rainbows and unicorns, definitely not, and especially this time. And lots of people are not going to look into it because everyone is trying to cash out from all the protocols. However, if Contexia is something that you was looking forward for their launch, please, jump into this protocol. None of this, of course, is the financial advice. Do your own research and do not ever put as much money into the investment as you're able to lose. Do not put your rice money into it, as people are saying here in Indonesia, and just play it safe. The most important, play it safe. Building the passive income stream is not easy. It's always stressful, but sometimes it's more stress, let's put it, more risk in the protocols, the higher rewards you're going to get. So if you're enjoying these types of video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the video. I really would like to increase the views on my channel as well as the subscription to bring more attention to the people, especially me be here in Indonesia, trying to educate more a little bit people about the DeFi world and to try to bring their attention these types of the project. Nevertheless, hit the like button again, and thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. But up until then, farewell.